Hi guys, so I just wanted to jump on really quick and tell you all about the new product that just released. So this is the EasyPress Mini from Cricut. You might have just barely heard about it. It just released and I want to just do a quick unboxing, let you guys see what's inside, and then kind of tell you all about it, what it's good for, and what I'm planning on using it for. So I'm just gonna, actually let's talk a little bit about it before we open it up. So this is great for effortless heat transfer. It has 3 different heat settings, so great for infusible ink. If you've just purchased some infusible ink, this is perfectly compatible with that, which is exciting. Also great for heat transfer vinyl, or you could use it on a variety of different things. Like I'm planning on using it for sewing projects. It also says it has a thoughtful, compact design, and it has a precision tip. So I'm super excited about the precision tip because as a seamstress, I'm always trying to get into little nooks and crannies and get them pressed out. On the back it says it has a comfortable handle and auto off feature. It has 3 different heat settings. So unlike the EasyPress, it's not going to tell you exactly what heat setting you're on, but you do have low, medium, and high. The high setting is the one that's compatible with infusible ink. You also have dry, even heat, so like the normal EasyPress, you're going to have that consistent heat across the entire base plate, and then precision tip and your safety base. So let's go ahead and open it up. So inside is the cutest little EasyPress you ever did see. Let me just pull this out. This is what it looks like. You have your cord, and you have this Teflon coated base. This is great because it actually allows you to slide around. Unlike the EasyPress, the normal ones, which you want to just hold in place, this one you can actually move around a little bit easier, which will be great for sewing projects and different things. And then we also have the base. This will keep it from heating up your table or anything like that. So great little resting spot for it. Okay, so I want to talk about what this is going to be good for, because I know a lot of people are saying, okay, it's so little, what projects am I going to use it on? So I actually went to the craft store yesterday and I picked up a load of tons of different things, supplies that would be perfect for this. So let's just start by talking about those. First off, I have a little can holder. This would be a great project. I think the biggest thing that a lot of people are going to use it on is on their hats. So a great size for a hat. It can help you get into those uneven pieces of the brim of a hat, which is a little bit tricky. I also picked up some cute little bags. Now I want to talk about why it's hard to use a larger sized heat press on something that's small. So we have seams here, which is, it gives you an extra depth of fabric. And when you're putting something on it that's bigger than the actual size of the bag, it can be hard to get enough pressure on the design. Hi, thank you. Oh, I have a little helper here. Do you want to come help? Okay, we have a little helper. Okay, you want to be on the video? So what this will allow you to do is get even pressure on the center of that without hitting a seam, which makes it really great. Do you want to hold these for me? Wonderful. I also got this cute little sequin bag, which would be perfect. I'm thinking infusible ink. If you push all the sequins up one way, do infusible ink, and then push them down, it's invisible. So it's kind of like a little hidden message.
Hold on too.
Great idea. We also have, when I think of the EasyPress Mini, I just think of everything baby. So baby hat, baby little, what is this? What do we call these? Not burp cloth, but little bib. So perfect for bibs. My brain's not quite on yet. Onesies as well. Great for onesies because you'll be able just to get in there and not worry about those seams. Have a cute little Flamingo Cup that I found. Also this little canvas. How fun is this? Okay, we have tons more options. Oh, I was thinking it would be so great for cheer bows. So fun little projects. Oh, do you like those? Lots of little iron-on appliques. You could put these on pockets, on your jeans, on hard to reach places. You could put them on the elbows of something. Places that you weren't able to get before, into those little nooks and crannies. I also picked this up for making bias tape. Would be perfect. You could use it on your Swarovski crystals that need to be heated up. We picked up some Perler beads, didn't we? Obviously, you'll need to be there with your children the whole time if you're doing those. We have a cute little eye mask. Can we put this on you? Little eye mask. I think you could put some infusible ink on there. That would be adorable. Oh, and we picked up shoes, didn't we?
Yeah, they're for me.
Cute shoes.
They're for me.
It's pretty hard to get iron-on onto shoes.
When I grow up,
yeah,
then I can have them.
You can have them when you grow up. You can have them now. But with this, it's just the perfect little size. You can just get them on nice and easy. So we have lots of projects that we have planned out, don't we?
Last week, Mommy said I'm a baby.
Oh, you're a big girl. Definitely a big girl. So the EasyPress Mini is going to retail for $69.99. Right now, it's not available yet, but it will be soon, and I will keep you guys posted as soon as it goes live. I'll let you know. But in the meantime, you can go get some supplies ready for when it releases and go chat about what your questions are. Just let me know, and I'll try to answer them.